Welcome to our YouTube video on ANUMANA, the power of inference. In this video, we will explore the concept of ANUMANA, which is considered the second source of valid knowledge according to the NYAYA school of philosophy. ANUMANA is an indirect and mediated source of knowledge, derived through the process of inference. The term ANUMANA is derived from two words, anu, meaning after, and mana, meaning knowledge. It involves drawing conclusions based on logical reasoning and observation. ANUMANA can be classified into two categories. The first is SWATA ANUMANA, which refers to an inference made for oneself, for personal conviction. The second is PURITA ANUMANA, which is an inference made to convince others or to communicate one's knowledge. For an inference to be valid, it must have three terms: the middle term, hetu, the major term, sadhya, and the minor term, paksha. The middle term serves as the logical ground, while the major and minor terms are the subjects of inference. The logical ground of ANUMANA is VYAPTI, which refers to the invariable and unconditional relation between the middle term and the major term. NYAYA, proponents of NYAYA philosophy, have identified 6 ways to ascertain VYAPTI. ANYAYA, when the middle term is present, the major term is present. VYAPTI, when the middle term is absent, the major term is absent. NYABHIKARAGRAHA, when the middle term is present, the major term is absent. UPADINARASHA, when the middle term is absent, the major term is present. TUK, using logical reasoning to establish VYAPTI. SAMANYALOKAPRATYEK, establishing VYAPTI through a common concomitance relationship. VYAPTI can further be classified into two types: Shama VYAPTI, uniform relation, and Visama VYAPTI, non-uniform relation. ANUMANA or inference can also be classified in other ways, such as paravert, prior occurrence, seawert, presence of counterexample, samanyatorta, universality, kalanwayi, positive concomitance, kalavitareki, negative concomitance, and anvayatireki, positive and negative concomitance. In NYAYA syllogism, there are 5 propositions, also known as avayarba or members. These include pratajana, proposition, hetu, reason, udharanar, example, upanuyanar, application, and nigamanar, deduction. These propositions form the basis of logical reasoning in NYAYA philosophy. Understanding the power of ANUMANA or inference provides us with a valuable tool for acquiring knowledge and drawing logical conclusions. By applying the principles of VYAPTI and examining the different types of inferences, we can enhance our reasoning abilities and gain deeper insights into the world around us. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of ANUMANA. We hope you found this video informative and thought-provoking. Stay tuned for more captivating discussions on philosophy and logic.